Are you looking for a sustainable homestead without sacrificing luxury? Welcome to 124 Stabler Road, just minutes outside of historic downtown Hawley in the beautiful Pocono Mountains. Hi, I'm Lisa Smith and I'm with Century 21 Country Lake Homes. This gorgeous chalet is nestled on 6 acres of land, and in the back of the land there is a babbling brook with fresh trout, and there is a natural spring for fresh drinking water. Complete with his own chicken coop, you can have farm fresh eggs every morning. For more information, or if you'd like to schedule a private tour, please contact me, Lisa Perry Smith with Century 21, 570-499-3560.